Hi guys, so we recently adopted a puppy from the Let's Live Together Foundation, which was in January first week. And before I could speak too much about the entire, it's an indie, and we've been trying to understand how to work things out around this little cuteness. So I thought I would work on chronicles of ZORRO, so that you guys get familiar with him in gist and in brief. It's just snippets of him running around. I'm soon going to talk in detail about things I do, things I can do but couldn't do, maybe a day in my life kind of a series with him around in the house. So stay tuned for those cute videos that are coming up soon. And sometimes it depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm loaded with too much mood, but I'll work on it for sure. So this is a very simple video that I'm gonna come up with, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am the small town blogger, aka Anusha. So I talk about fashion, lifestyle and travel. If you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends, and let me know what would you like to see on my channel.
About the moments we spent, I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure us.